Your T-Mobile REVVL 4 offers several reset options to address various issues. A hard reset or soft reset is a simple reboot useful for minor glitches. Just hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. Recovery mode allows access to advanced options like a factory reset, useful if the phone is unresponsive. To enter, power off, then hold volume up and power until the T-Mobile logo appears. Use volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. A factory reset erases all data, apps, and settings, restoring the phone to its original state. Access this via Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, or through Recovery Mode. Always back up your data before a factory reset, as this will erase everything. Before performing a factory reset on your T-Mobile REVVL 4, ensure the device is charged to at least 50% and back up all important data. To perform a factory reset via Settings, navigate to Settings, then System, Reset Options, and select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete, which takes 5 to 10 minutes. To use recovery mode, power off the phone, then press and hold volume up and power until the T-Mobile logo appears. Navigate using volume keys to wipe data factory reset, select with power button, and confirm. After the reset, the phone will restart and prompt you to set it up as new. Remember, this process is irreversible, so ensure you have a backup.